Introductory segment /n. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be discussing cybersecurity news and the impact a new malicious campaign has had on business routers. Cybersecurity researchers from Black Lotus Labs recently uncovered a new campaign that uses vulnerable business routers to steal sensitive data and build a covert proxy network. Today, we'll go in depth into this campaign, take a look at the malware involved, and discuss what steps you can take to protect your router from malicious threats. Main segment. According to recent reports from Bleeping Computer, researchers have uncovered a new malicious campaign that utilizes two models of the Dre Tech Vigor routers, 2960 and 3900, to distribute a piece of malware known as hiatus rat. This remote access Trojan is used to download malicious payloads, allowing the hackers to execute various commands on the infected endpoint, and turn the device into a SOC 5 proxy to pass command and control server traffic. The majority of the victims, it seems, are located across Europe, North America, and South America, although exact figures are still murky. Nevertheless, the researchers have managed to reverse engineer the malware and uncovered some horrifying details. Hiatus rat is able to steal system data such as MAC address and kernel version, networking data such as IP addresses, file system data, and process data such as process names, IDs, and UIDs. Furthermore, the malware sends a heartbeat post to the server every 8 hours, which allows the attackers to monitor the infected device. On top of that, the malware can read and delete files, upload files, download and run programs, forward any TCP data to the host's listening port, and even stop itself if necessary. The objective of the threat actors is to steal email and FTP credentials, packet capture data, and consequently infect the routers with multiple malicious payloads. Conclusion /n. Protecting yourself from malicious threats like hiatus rat is of the utmost importance, especially if you use routers as part of your everyday business. In order to stay secure, always make sure your router is running the latest software and firmware, and always be diligent about backing up important data. Lastly, be sure to update and monitor your routers regularly, so that you can quickly spot any suspicious activity. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more in-depth cybersecurity news and developments.